giving us the tour on the brain bus. Okay.
So these are C. elegans. So they're a worm that lives in the soil and it eats bacteria actually. And you can actually see it on the plates here, ever so slightly. They look almost like little threads. They're so small. So we use the microscope all the time to see them. And they're really helpful for actually studying neuroscience and development because they are so simple and they are so small. We can make mutations and be able to study exactly what's going on, whereas in humans that would be really difficult. So we have different mutations here for you to check out. So these are the normal everyday worms, and they move pretty well, and they're pretty thin and like a normal size. But we have a mutation called Dumpy, which actually makes the worms look really kind of chubby. So they're shorter, they're chubbier, and they have trouble moving. So this is due to a protein that covers the outside of them that they have a mutation in, so it makes them kind of these little chubby worms. And then we have another mutant that is an eggling. So this is a problem with a specific nerve, and it doesn't recognize how many eggs that the worm has. So instead of having about 14 eggs, it can fill up with upwards of like 40 eggs. So you form these really large worms, and they have a lot of babies that you can see kind of all around.
Oh, I see one is moving.
Yeah, they move. They're fine with moving. They don't have a moving deficiency. They're not moving a lot right now. I should probably warm them up a little. Maybe they're chilly. But yeah, so because they're so simple and because they're easy to manipulate, they make great model organisms. And their nerves are very, very similar to ours. So anything that you learn here, you can apply to humans.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.